Ultra-portable laptops take their own piece of price cut, but ASUS did manage to pull out an Ultrabook with great hardware, and most importantly, it doesn't break your bank. This is the review of ASUS UX430UN, an ultra-portable laptop of course. Let's get started. Starting off with its design, the ZenBook looks premium, especially with its glossy royal blue aluminum chassis. The lid is prone to scratches and is definitely a huge fingerprint magnet. Coming around with just 1.3 kilos, it is really lightweight and easy to carry for a 14-inch laptop. This laptop has a decent selection of ports. On its right side, there is a USB 3 port and SD card reader. The left side has a micro HDMI port, a second USB 3 port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a USB Type-C connector. Say downside, unfortunately, USB-C doesn't charge this laptop, which means addition of Thunderbolt 3 would have been appreciated, ASUS. Well, this laptop comes with a 14-inch 1080p non-reflective display, which looks really good. Colors were always bright, vibrant, the text was crisp and readable, and we had no trouble whatsoever. One thing is worth noting. It has an auto brightness sensor which works pretty well. Moreover, it can be disabled whenever you want, an added bonus. Well, the keyboard on UX430 provides a sort of a mixed experience. What I mean by that is, it has snappy keys with a decent travel of 1.5mm, but has a power button located in the keyboard cluster, which is prone to accidental presses. The trackpad is also large and comfortable and is backed by Microsoft Precision drivers. Even though there is a fingerprint reader embedded into it, we never found ourselves hitting it at the wrong time. Now that we have seen display and external aesthetics of this laptop, now let's jump to the main thing, performance. With an Intel 8th generation Core i7-8550U CPU, coupled with 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of SSD, the ZenBook is well equipped to handle whatever you throw at it, may it be your daily basic task or some serious multitasking. Gaming on this laptop was quite good, but there was occasional drop in frames. Well, apart from that, it comes with a 720p webcam, which is quite decent, a pair of stereo speakers by Harman Kardon, which sounds excellent, and with a casual usage, we got around 6.5 to 7 hours of battery life, which is great. So what's the verdict? Well, if you're looking for an ultra-portable Windows laptop, then this is what you're looking for. It has great specification and a stunning screen in an extremely portable package, offering a good battery life with a fairly good pricing. This laptop gets thumbs up from us. 2 thumbs up basically. The pricing and in-depth review of this laptop on our blog is linked below. Either way, that's it with this quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed and found this video useful, and if you did, you know what to do. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more such video. Until the next one, this has been Atish from TechDipper signing off. Thanks for watching.